Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is Kerala style onion vada. Kerala style onion vada is a popular and delicious snack that originates from the southern state of Kerala in India. These vadas are a popular street food snack in Kerala and are also served during festivals, weddings, and special occasions. Their irresistible taste and unique blend of flavors make them a favorite among locals and tourists alike. These vadas are typically served hot with coconut chutney or sambar. Let's start the recipe. Take 2 medium-sized chopped onions. Onions are chopped as thin as possible. Add 2 or 3 chopped green chilies, few curry leaves and half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Adjust green chilies as per your taste. Add salt. Adjust salt as per your taste and mix well. Squeeze and mix. Now rest it for 15 minutes. Add 4 tablespoons of besan and 4 tablespoons of wheat flour. Add 2 tablespoons of rice flour and half tablespoon of red chili powder. Squeeze and mix well. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. Don't forget to squeeze and mix. Now prepare vadas as shown in the video. Deep fry them on medium heat. If you are new to my channel, please like, share, subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Deep fry them until they turn light brown color. Please leave a comment below if you are a fan of onion vada. More breakfast recipes and snack recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them. Try the recipe and let me know your feedback in comments. Please like, share, comment so that it will reach more people and it will be helpful for some people. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. More interesting and healthy recipes are on the way. If you didn't subscribe till now, subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon and follow Shalini Foods in Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.